Well, it was a day of extreme and sometimes perverse emotions. Ampol more than doubled its profit and showered its shareholders with dividends, so its shares moved up to a 5-month high. Health insurer NIB also reported a record profit and increased dividend, but the shares were smashed. A2 Milk lifted profit 62% and its shares fell 8.5%, and BlueScope Steel's profit fell 63% and its shares dropped 10%. The other one worth mentioning is ASX-listed Israeli company Weebit Nano, which is developing a new type of semiconductor. Its shares have now doubled this year. Overall, the earnings season is about halfway through, and 59% of companies to have reported increased their profit, which is more than usual, but 34% beat expectations, which is less than usual. The US market fell a bit on Friday, while in Hong Kong and Shanghai today, shares went up. On commodity markets, oil and copper fell while iron ore and gold went up, and the Aussie dollar is trading a little higher tonight, just under 69 US cents. From my file of random interesting charts, this one shows global fertiliser production. It's from an article on Bloomberg with the heading, "Russia and China have a stranglehold on the world's food security." And finally, the Reserve Bank put out its monthly balance sheet on Friday. Now, this is a graph of its liabilities, up from 100 billion to 600 billion in 2 years, but no longer rising at least. Its capital is 40 billion, so the RBA is Australia's least solvent bank. But it's owned by the government, so it doesn't matter. And that's finance.